Hello, I want to do a quick little tutorial to show you what Flipgrid would look like in a flipped classroom. So right now we are using technology to basically do everything. My students are working from home and I know they're very overwhelmed. Like I said before, Flipgrid is something I have used in my classroom, so they're very familiar. Now I apologize, I don't have screen webcam. It's not currently working, so you're only going to hear my voice. I am using Screencast-O-Matic, which I've been using very frequently to record tutorial videos. So from here, this is my Google Classroom. This is my main page. So when a student logs in, they're going to see morning check-in, and I've posted a topic. Okay, so it gives them the directions. Log into Flipgrid with your code that I sent you. Talk to your friends and answer my question I posted on the grid. Okay, so if they click on here, it will automatically bring them to this screen. Now, I'm going to log in as a student just so you can see what they're going to see on their end. Okay, so this is the topic. Talk about what you are doing. And here's me. I'm the organizer, and this is the student's name up here. So basically, it just says saying hello. So what students will do is they'll come down here and they'll see a little green box. When they click on the green box, they'll be allowed to record a video and a selfie of themselves. And if they come over here, you'll see I made a quick video. So in the video, if the student clicks on it, they can watch it. So I made a quick little video. I can make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so it tells up here 4 people have viewed it. I can come out. Basically, the students can go ahead and make comments to one another. They can post responses to each other. They can post smiley faces, emojis, anything. And this is a really good way for you to pose a topic, and the students can basically answer